Hey guys, Jordan for Buy 9 to 5, trying to get this out quickly. So it's November 22nd, 2022, and you guys always ask me to let you know when Pictori is doing a 50% off sale. So Pete Bennett, one of the heads of directors, he always emails me personally because he loves working with Buy 9 to 5 and giving us our own special coupon for 50% off that not everybody else gets. So we have that again for Black Friday, so go down below, you'll see the steps. Step 1, click the link. Step 2, try out the free trial. Step 3, go into the coupon code for the annual plans only and click buy save 50. So this one, the cheapest one, $228 all the way down to $114, which is incredible for all the things that this can do. So one thing I want to say is every time this coupon code ends, people email me and they're like, oh man, can I get the coupon? So either you guys miss it or you guys just push it off and then end up missing it. So don't miss it this time. Go ahead, try out the free trial, see if it's for you, and hopefully I'll see you on the inside. So I literally just made this video in 5 minutes with a software that I think is just as good, if not better than Vidnami, and all I had to do was... What's up, it's Jordan from Buy 9 to 5, and as you know, I'm always looking for the quickest, most efficient ways to create faceless YouTube videos. So in this video, first I'm going to show you how you can basically create a full video script in just a couple of minutes on autopilot. Then I'm going to show you a great software that's basically an alternative to Vidnami. I know I've made a few of these videos. I've been trying out a lot of different softwares, and by far, this one's my favorite. I think I might even like this one more than Vidnami. So before we get into that, what are some of the benefits of doing this? Well, first of all, first and foremost, if you don't want to sit there and write out a 10-minute script, or if you don't know how to edit videos, it basically just makes the process that would take 3 or 4 hours, takes it down to basically taking 5 to 10 minutes. Second, it allows you to be more consistent. If you're able to post a video or a few videos per week, you have a better chance of getting more audience. So the more often you're able to post, the more YouTube's going to push your content out. So I can't wait to show you this software. Like I said, I think I like it better than Vidnami. So what I love about this software is it's basically you input the script, and then you put in your voiceover, and it's going to match all of it together so you don't even have to go into the editor and match the video up, and it's going to pick the stock footage clips for you. So as most of you know, most of the time we go to places like Pexel right here, and we go in and we look for stock footage clips. We have to download a bunch of different clips, right? Probably 50 or more clips that we have to download, put them all into the video, match it all up. Nah, we don't want to do that. We want to do it in the most quick way possible. And that is exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. And I love using Brainy Dose as an example because they get millions of subscribers, they get millions of views on their videos, and they're all completely faceless videos where they're not even doing anything but showing some stock footage. So as you can see, here's the kind of videos that they make.
So let's explore some of the main traits of the INFJ.
So they're basically just writing out a script, they're reading it off, and then they're showing stock footage. So first of all, I'm going to show you how to make a script just like this. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is go right down here, click the dots, and then click Open Transcript. Then you're going to want to click the dots again and toggle the timestamp. Now as you can see, we have the whole entire script right here. So now all we need to do is copy this script, okay? So we copy this script. Now you can use any sort of paraphrasing software you want. So I personally like to use the premium version of Quillbot. So you just paste this in, and basically what it's going to do is take this exact script, you push paraphrase, and it's going to create a new script for you based on this script right here. So as you can see, it's now paraphrasing this entire script. So now you have the script. You can either read this script off. You know you're not copying, right? You're just making something similar. So now you can just read this script off. If you're doing the voiceover, you can go in Audacity and do that. Or if you have a voiceover person that you have hired onto your team, then you can basically just give this script to them and they can read it off. And that's a lot of what YouTube is, right? It's not recreating the wheel. It's taking what's already working and making it just 1% better and adding a little bit of a twist to it. So now I am here in this software, so I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to name this Brainy Dose example. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to copy the script and put it right in. So now I'm going to place that right in here and proceed. So now I'm going to click 16:9 landscape, and now it's just going to load up a bunch of stock footage, and this stock footage is going to come straight from Storyblocks, which is super nice. So now we are in, so the first thing I'm going to do is go over to audio, and I'm going to take out the music, because I don't want the music in there. So I'm going to take that out. Now I'm going to go and I'm going to upload a voiceover. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to just pull in my voiceover. So now I'm pulling that over right now. And now I'm just going to click auto sync the entire voiceover. So now it's literally just going to auto sync the words with the voice, with the video, and pick stock footage clips for me and put it all in.
It's very difficult to know how someone actually feels. This can be exasperated in romantic endeavors, especially with men. Does he really care about you? Or does he have ulterior...
So now, as you can see, it looks really good, right? So now, obviously, this baby one's not very good. So we can go over to visuals, and we can basically find something else that might work better. Man, sad. And then we can just pull one in really quickly. Maybe something like this, and we can just click on it, and it's automatically going to put it in, and it's going to time it up correctly. So far, this has been just as easy, if not easier, to use than Vidnami. Now, we can change the styles, right? So we can do different styles. So maybe we like this one, right? Or maybe we like this one, or we like this one that pops up. So now you can hit preview at any time, and then it will allow you to do a preview.
It's very difficult to know how someone actually feels. This can be exasperated in...
So super simple, right? So now on top of that, you can go in, you can pull in your own music, right? So you can download from the YouTube audio library, go ahead, put that music in over the video. Then you can also mess with other things such as textures, backgrounds to put text on. You can also go back to styles and do scene transitions. So maybe you want to do a fade in between scenes. It's very easy to click that once, and it's just going to do that for all of the clips. You can also record your own voiceover right inside of the software. So that was something some people wanted to have in some of the other softwares that I showed. It has that in this one. So basically with this software, you're able to pump out a video that would take hours to edit, and you're able to basically pump it out in about 5 minutes. So beyond Vidnami, this has been my favorite solution. So I'm going to go ahead and generate this video and show you some of that video right now. And so before I play the video, I did put the script through an actual voice over AI software, just something I wanted to do as an example. So before you say YouTube does not allow AI, I already know that, although if it does sound realistic, sometimes it can be okay. Kind of just depends if they can tell that it sounds like a bot or not. So if 50 of you down below say you would like to know what the software is, then I will shoot a video letting you know what the software is. It's also in my course as well. So enjoy the little sneak peek of this video that literally I put together in 5 minutes.
It's very difficult to know how someone actually feels. This can be exasperated in romantic endeavors, especially with men. Does he really care about you? Or does he have ulterior motives? It's understandable to not want to commit to a relationship with someone who doesn't want one with you. If you're struggling with this problem, maybe our list will help you find the solution. Number 1, he will treat you respectfully no matter what. One area of relationships that can encounter hardship is showing respect. A guy who loves you will always respect and love you as a person. He will respect your choices, beliefs, and ideas. It is important for any lasting relationship. Even if he doesn't always agree with you, he will respect your ideas and feelings. Number 2, a man who cares for you will always listen to you and remember.
So this software does have a completely free trial, so go ahead, click the link down below. That'll take you to the software. You can go ahead, try it out, see what you think of it, play with it. So far, it's literally the best alternative that I have found to Vidnami, and I actually think I might like it better than Vidnami. It's really easy to work with. The clips that they pick are really good, and they come from Storyblocks, so they're high quality as well. Hope this helps you out. I'm out. Thanks a lot for watching. Peace.